To the border now, where shipping containers are filling gaps at some spots along the border wall. But tonight, the governor's office is defending the makeshift wall after a reporter shared this photo of flipped containers. A spokesperson for the governor wants to clarify this happened before securing them along the border. Our Lustelia Caballero traveled to the border to show you firsthand how things are going.
This right here is a border wall we're used to seeing, but given the gaps along the border wall near Yuma, Arizona is building a new barrier, this time with shipping containers, an effort nearby residents say is a good thing.
I love it. I mean, it's beautiful living here.
Ricardo Banuelos and his wife have lived peacefully in Gadsden for more than a decade.
It's a great place to live.
But he says the last couple of years, that peace was taken away from them as migrants made their way into the U.S. through gaps in the border wall built by the federal government.
They try to hide and they jump on the roof. You can't go out the house at night when you see that, You don't know what's going to happen.
Banuelos owns one of the only homes that stands less than a quarter mile away from the border.
Where they're jumping back and forth, that's the only damage they've been doing on my fence.
Adding it wasn't uncommon to see hundreds of migrants crossing per month. But now, with the state's construction of the shipping container barrier,
As soon as they start, I only get 2 people, come across.
Arizona had to act now because the border crisis continues to get so far out of control.
Tim Romer with the Arizona Department of Homeland Security says 1,000 feet of barrier was completed in less than 72 hours.
We've got plans over the course of the next few days. We hope to be able to close about 3,000 feet of the gaps, and then we'll reassess from there.
Adding challenges will naturally come with this barrier wall.
The cartels and the criminals will find ways to damage it.
Banuelos, though, just happy to be able to get peace back into his home.
It's helping a lot, and you feel more comfortable.
We reached out to the Biden administration and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security for comment. We have yet to hear back. Lustelia Caballero, ABC 15, Arizona.
Well, you